Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a value collection of Pokemon card. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you have like multiple Pokemon card, right? And you want to put them in a collection so you can transfer them for a price. What you have to do is you need to have an app downloaded called TCG. So you can find this app on the App Store. Basically what the app does is that it scans all your card and put in a collection so that you can transfer this collection to someone else for a price. And once you have the app downloaded, you need to click on the app. So on the home page, there are two things you need to see, which is the inventory and the decks. So to create a collection, I would suggest going to create folder, and then you can create a new folder by adding new card or scan or text. So what you have to do is you have to click on the plus button at the top right, and then let's say I want to name this folder my collection, and you can set it either to private or to your friends, or you can also change the image of the collection, and you can hit save after you did all the changes. So as you can see in this folder, my collection currently has $0 value. So if I want to add a card to this collection, I need to scan it by hitting the plus button at the top right and click on scan, and you have to place the card under the scan camera. Make sure it is at the right position. Okay, so after it scanned the card, you will be able to adjust the quantity, the day that you brought the card, and the language, and maybe the condition of the card. So if the condition is very new, then you can put it new. Otherwise, you can hit save. And once you go back to the collection, you will see that the collection currently has a value of $3.67. So as you add more cards to this collection, the collection will have the value increase. And that is how you can create a collection of cards in Pokemon TCG app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.